Hi, this is Fl from anyhousecleaning.com. I'm gonna tell you the secret of the carpet cleaning. For me, it's my opinion. The secret, in reality, is to vacuum. Even though the client already vacuum, I recommend to vacuum really good because 80% of the soil, you're gonna remove it with a really good vacuum. This is my first step or tip. Somebody is calling me right now, Natasha. The second tip is when you scrub the carpet and when you are pre-spraying, when you rinse, but the key to dry faster is to do at least 4 strokes of drying. He is rinsing one time and he's doing 4 strokes of drying. Beside that, even though you take a little bit more time, you have to use air blowers. I have to answer this call, it's a client. Air blowers to dry the carpet fast. Thank you for watching for the Love on Your House Cleaning.